Yep.
I can't find my...
I can't find my...
Muff, 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 they won't respond. Why can't monkeys respond to the chicken noises? Muff, 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 muff.
Oh, sorry. Fucking do. What if that was cat shit?
Ew! Hey, look. There used to be a blue monkey on this thing. Is it in my pocket? What the hell is this then? Gum wrapper. You could have lost it when you were riding. No, I had it. Like, the thing was in my mouth, too.
Maybe you swallowed it.
That would be good.
Did you swallow your monkey?
No, just a bunch of gum. I had 6 pieces of gum in my mouth yesterday. Corny Jack 2 pieces.
I want
2
gum.
packs, I mean.
I want gum.
Look at that.
I'll see if we can...
I'll see if I can look up.
Oh!
What color is your monkey?
It's a blue monkey. It's not under there.
I'll look for it.
Put the camera back.
No.
I'm good. Monkey, where are you?
I'm stuck.
Is that still rolling? Yeah.
Stuck.
Zoom in, mouse. Zoom. I zoomed in on her ass. Here. Your turn. Look, watch me go.
I don't see a blue monkey.
Watch me go up. Okay, look, I'm so still. Hold my phone. Although I've done this like many, many times. 3 feet actually.
I'm gonna get down.
Why? You get to get there while I am?
Maybe. Or I'll wait till you get up and I'll go back up.
Just in case I break the thing?
Just in case like you do something and I fall. Trying to catch.
Look, I'm up. And look at her getting down. Oh, she's flying. Fuck.
Okay, you up now?
Yeah, she was up when you were getting down.
Look, it's a horsey.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Not my fault. I can do that.
Now I want up.
Here, fast.
But how?
How what?
You have to move over.
I'm not moving.
Hold on.
No one can get up this way.
Can I pass it? Oh my god, I don't have balance. Hold this.
Is it still rolling?
Yeah. How long is this thing? Pretty long. I hurt my booty.
Ow,
You gotta get her.
Ow, I hit my knee. I hit my knee. I'll do it.
Don't try these little kids.
I was just trying to move over so she can see your face.
Alyssa's retarded. Alyssa.
Now I see how you can sit like this. Oh! Now you see how I
Can you see how I can sit like this?
cut. You're sitting on the cross thing. Intersection. Can I have this?
Here, hold this and I won't sit on that cross intersection.
Intersection. My phone.
Hey, did you stop it yet?
No.
Shit.